Sipping on back from the Lex, say something. Never tell her back that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat. Make shit one, I never had shit. Bitch, move, make your motherfucking head split. Hospitalized, never really gon' pay shit. Got me never really gon' chase it. Dreams to the play, no fake. Ass to the way, niggas know I ain't play. Fast to the break when I switch all day. Stance when I press to the damn arcade. Sticking up signs, read, never mind me.
Beautiful sky. Us. As you all know, this is my 2004 VZ SV8 Commodore with an SS badge on the side because I'm still looking for SV8 door badges. So don't judge too hard, I just like the look of badges in my opinion. And I did want an SS, but this is what I ended up with. So far I put the 20s on it. VF R8 rims, mock-ups to fit the VZ and VY. I think VT and all that too. Do you guys prefer my old rims or my new rims? Pretty nice. V8. 6-speed manual, which you can't see because it's too dark. Plans for this car are maybe a Senator spoiler I'm looking at, as I like the clean look, or no spoiler at all. I'm also considering keeping this as I do like it. Maybe a few more stickers, as I love my stickers. I feel like that looks clean as. I'll insert some cool photos that I have of it that I like. Also going to be looking at doing a custom bonnet eventually. Probably one with a 2-inch reverse scoop. That's what I'm looking at. If I end up doing this, I'll probably get a new bonnet so I can keep the original bonnet original. Black plates is a definitely, got the money for it. Just no point until I can drive it. I'm also going to be doing chrome door handles, and I'm looking for the chrome trims. Here's an example of the chrome door handles and the chrome trims to go around the windows. I feel like that'll look neat. And maybe eventually coilovers or bags on the rear and lower the front a bit, even though she's already on SSL all round. Beautiful car and I love it. Worked hard for it. Don't let anyone fucking say you can't get shit like this. Tell me what you guys think. Would this look better with black plates, like the premium ones? Won't be getting custom plates or anything, just the black ones, because I feel like they look clean. my SV8. If my door stays open. Pretty clean for a 21-year-old car. It's not amazing. Only little stitch-up jobbers there, but it's not terrible. It's definitely very nice compared to most Commodores, like my other VY. That one's definitely not as good as this. Nice dash. Gauges, I still need to get them wired up. This piece of shit that I can't get off, it's actually not that bad now, but looks stupid. It's fucking stuck on my vent and I can't get it out. It's like a little hook underneath. It's just there. It won't come off, bro. It's so fucking annoying. I've been trying for ages, man. Do not buy this brand. Something I got other shit I wanna do to it. Back seat. Not bad. That back area up the back's hell clean. I love it. So far, I put the red lights in. That one's meant to be working, but it's not. That one is. Have red lights down here, here, down here, and in the back seat. Got this thing for these. I wanna vinyl wrap this outside red, all up and around, and also this and all that. I wanna do these vents red, so that looks sick. And I also wanna do my around here red. I've got a mate who's gonna do it for me because he does it as his job, so can't wait for that. Maybe I gotta get a head unit too. Just change my speakers. I never made it into a video because I didn't have this channel then. Change the speakers to Pioneer speakers. So I need a head unit, and then I also need my sub wired up to my head unit after that, and all the other shit, and my speakers. I'll probably go for steering wheel controls too. I'll wire that up to my new head unit. Probably just be one with Apple CarPlay. But there. And then maybe eventually custom interior one day, but that's fucking expensive, so we'll see. Oh, I got a red light in here. And my boot. 167,000 Ks. 68, sorry. Had 167 when I bought it fucking 6 months ago, so I really haven't driven it much. But here's the engine bay. This is what I did, because the engine cover used to be like silver, but it was all faded, and like, I don't know, this didn't look very good, so took all that off, made it black, and did the red over the thing, and then wiped out the letters so they were all black. Not the best job, but looks better when it's not dirty, but yeah. Probably gonna do a bit of red along here or something, and on that other one. But LS1 out of tune, so pushes a bit of horsepower. See you in the next one.